Okay, it's been 3.5 months since I last used the Tesla. So back on 31st of August, I charged it up to 100%. So I had 337 kilometers or 99% left when I parked it. And now it's the 18th of December and I'm coming to check. Oh, we got 50%. We have 50% left. So my calculation was when I leave it until the middle of December, it should drain to about 50%, and my calculations were correct. Let's just check. So 50%, and that means 50%, and that means the distance is 170 kilometers. So 50%. So that's not too bad. 340 kilometers really, if it's 100%. So I've got 50% battery left. Not bad at all. So you can leave the car for 3.5 months and it will drain naturally at 50%. That means, in theory, I could leave the car for 7 months, in theory, totally idle, but I wouldn't do that anyway.
The new double big tasty.